Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration, so now I will show you how to answer. For the first one, we need to do about factorization in here, and that should be about s plus 2, s plus 1. Next, we need to use about partial fractions. So we put capital A over s plus 2, capital B over s plus 1. Next, we do common denominator. So that means A we multiply with s plus 1, B multiply with s plus 2. So the next one we multiply with s number 1, s and number 2. So you will got about as plus bs, a plus 2b. And this one we can do about factorization. After we do about this way, we compare about coefficient in here. About s, we just have a plus b, but this one is about number 3. That means a plus b equals to number 3. About this one, that should be about equal to negative number 4. So we create the system of equations. So we have a plus b equals to number 3, a plus 2b equals to negative number 4. And now we have two solutions in here. So we got about a equals to number 10, b equal to negative number 7. So we put number 10 and negative number 7 go in here. A is about number 10, b is about negative number 7. And now we got the final answer. That should be about 10 ln of the absolute value of s plus 2 minus number 7 ln of the absolute value of s plus 1, and we put about c. Now let's go to the next one. Because if we put number 2 in here, we need to put about 1 over 2. 2 sin s cosine s, we change for sin 2s because this is the formula in here. And now we got the final answer. One over 2 multiplied with negative 1 over 2, you got about negative 1 over 4 cosine 2s plus c. About this one, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to the square root of s squared plus 16. Later that we put the square for the both sides, so that we can cancel the square root. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. So you got about 2u du equal to 2s ds. So number 2 we simplify. So about the square root we change for u, s ds we change for u du. So you simplify with u, you got about du, and we got about u plus c. U, that's about this one. About this one, we can change into s minus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2. dx. And this one, we got about s minus 2 to the power of negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative 1 over 2 plus 1. And we put about c. So this one you got about 1 over 2. And this one you got about 1 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.